Hello everyone, in this video we are going to look at pandas. We always use pandas in data science, and we want to look at it and see any method that we might take away from it. So the first method that I want to share is dot head. So the dot head method shows you the first 5 rows of the data, but you can change the number of rows that you want to see. Let's say I want to see 10 rows. I just put 10 in there, and it will show me 0 to 9, which is 10. We start from index 0 all the way to 9. It just shows you the data that you have, and you can specify the number of the rows that you want to see. It's all up to you, and I'll just stick to the first 5. The second one that I want to share with you is the .info method. So this the info method, it inspects and summarizes the data. Info. So it tells you that we have columns, participant ID, and comments. They are all objects, and they are all non-nouns, which means they are all filled in. In other words, you don't need to, if you see that there's a non-noun, you don't need to drop any empty columns, any empty rows. It will be all completed in. So that's the second one here. I'm going to comment it out, and let's go to the third one. So on this one, I'm going to share with you the describe method. Let's run it. So it shows us that the frequency of the data, the top, the uniqueness, are there 100%, 100 unique data. So if there's any duplicates, you can take a look at this and use this information to inform your data analysis. All right, and let's go to the other one. We want to display the column names. Yeah, run it. It tells you the participant IDs and comments, they are all objects. Let's take a look to the other one. Now, this one that I'm trying to share right now is very good when you try to look at any missing values. So I have is now and some. When I can't find if they are now, let me put a comment right there. All right, so I just use this now only without some. It tells me that everyone is false. There's no now. Every file are all completed from 0 all the way to 100. All right. So there's another one that you use to drop any missing data. So it's df.drop now. Right. So the drop now method is used to drop rows with missing items in a row. We have nothing here, but you can use the drop now method to do that. You can also use another method. So to fill in, it's called fill now. So our df dot then we have nothing here, so I don't really do anything. But we can use the fill method to be able to do that. But you have to specify now the column name. So let's say I have something. I have some missing values in comments. Make sure you specified comments. The fill method. And then you want to say no comments. If there's no comments, right? We have nothing to replace, so nothing's going to happen. But that's how you do it. Then, if there's any duplicates, you can use drop duplicates method. So it's df.drop underscore duplicates. We don't have any duplicates, so there's nothing really going to happen here, but I'm just going to show you this method. Then you can also do things like multi-line conditions, things like modify an existing column. Let's say it's uppercase, you want to drop it to lowercase or vice versa. You can use that method. You can also aggregate your data. You can group multiple columns. You can sort. So those are some of the issues or some of the things that you can do with some of the methods that you can use when you import pandas and you want to manipulate your data. I will end here, but I will add all the other methods in the description below. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye for now.